Good morning, Nylea. Good morning, Tiana. Welcome. First five is on the board. You have 2 questions this morning. Seconds before we hear from Taylor, then Lisbeth, then Brittany. Those will be the 3 people to speak first in class today. All right, Taylor, start us off. What'd you say?
I said I heard industrialization and regulation before.
Industrialization?
Industrialization.
So we're gonna play word hunt. 1 minute on the clock to create a little chart like you've done many times before that looks a little something like this. So 1 minute on the clock to create a chart. Janali, remind me what we're doing in the next minute?
We're gonna be doing a word hunt for the words that we learned yesterday.
Yeah, and what do we need to do in this next minute? Create what?
Create a chart that's on the board.
Perfect. Thank you, Janali. All right, 1 minute. Do what Janali said. All right, what's the first step of our word hunt? Nylea, what do we do first? Read the instructions on the board. Nylea.
Write the unit to vocabulary word.
And what is our vocabulary word?
Industrialization.
Industrialization. Say that one for me.
Industrialization. Did I say that?
Yeah, you did. All right, let's get it down. All right, what happens next? Donna, read the instructions on the board. Donna.
Guess what the word means. What does this word remind me of?
Great, 10 seconds. Put a guess on the board. Five. Get that guess down right above your word. Don't write guess, write your guess. See, Mina's writing and Taylor's getting it down. And the next. Mina, read the instructions and the sentence. Mina.
At the beginning of the pandemic, industrialization was put on hold. There wasn't any construction, all the business and factories were closed, and for a brief moment, no new technology was created.
Thank you, Mina. Give us a new guess with that sentence. A new guess, 10 seconds. Jasleen, read the instructions on the board.
At the beginning of the pandemic, industrialization was put on hold. There wasn't any construction, all the businesses and factories closed, and for a brief moment, no new technology was created. Guesses to the visual clue to figure out the meaning.
All right, let's look at the image and the sentence. New guess. Catherine, please read the instructions on the board.
Agree on a definition.
Thank you. 2 minutes on the clock in your breakout room to agree on a definition. Lourdes, start us off. What did you or your group say? Lourdes.
Y'all had like some idea that it was like for like cities and like a big population, I guess.
Something about cities. Yeah.
Like advancement.
And what was that?
Advancement.
And there's something about advancement. I like that.
We think it means when you develop something, or someone also said make changes, and someone said building and making.
Yeah, Ariana said like adapting or evolving. Catherine said development, and Janola said creation.
If I were to get closest, I would say evolve, creation, develop, advancement, and then something about cities. Those would be the ones that I would put the dots next to.